Okay, no more of these. And see if we can get the shadow out of here. Anyway, got the light switch here, turn signal, and the 4-ways. All waterproof switches. And the most important thing, the reason for it, was this here oil temperature gauge, which is all set up, all the lines all run, and be operational in another week. I get a couple of lines, and after I take some more measurements, and we'll see what this thing will do. That's all for now. Mike from Kubota Products. If we can get a better shot of this. There you go.